In episode 18, Lin Lin meets Yiyang. Yiyang asks, "Have you and Xiaodong made up?" Lin Lin says, "Our breakup happened a long time ago and now we're over each other." Meanwhile, Xiaodong questions Yingguo, "Has Lin Lin talked about me to you?" Yingguo responds, "No," and then asks, "Why didn't you try to reconcile with Lin Lin again?" To which Xiaodong replies, "I've tried 3 times. Surprised, Yingguo asks, "So, does this mean you've broken up 3 times? Yingguo seems to want to ask more, but Xiaodong tells her, "I'm driving, don't disturb me." Yingguo now starts looking at her phone. Xiaodong says you will ask Yiyang, but he won't know anything. In fact, no one in Dongxin City knows anything about it. Later, Yingguo messages Yiyang, asking if he knew about her brother's past relationship with Lin Lin. Yiyang says, "Yes, I know." Yingguo says, "My brother was saying that you wouldn't know." Then Yiyang says, "I've seen them together once." Yiyang says, "You seem quite interested in their relationship." Yingguo says, "After all, he is my brother, and he told me this for the first time." Yiyang responds, "Xiaodong has her own life, so focus on me. I don't like it when you care about others." Upon reading this message, Yingguo starts laughing. Now Yiyang goes somewhere with Yiyang. He asks, "If you change your mind, would you like to take over Dongxin City?" Yiyang says, "We'll talk about this later." Yiyang really likes this place for his billiard room. Yiyang leads everyone to the 2nd floor where the renovation is finished. Yiyang is very happy to see his billiard room. Now when Yiyang is about to leave, Yiyang informs him, "I'm going to meet my brother tomorrow." Yiyang says, "I will go with him to visit our parents' grave." Yiyang says, "All right, if you need anything, just let me know." With that, Yiyang leaves. Later, Yidong, Yiyang's brother, arrives to meet him. Yiyang is very happy to meet his brother. When Yidong asks about Yingguo, Yiyang informs him that she has gone home. "When I get the chance, I will definitely introduce you to her." However, Yidong says there's no need for an introduction because I watch all of her matches. The next morning, Yingguo prepares to go to the cemetery with her family and relatives. Yingguo's mom instructs her to go with Yiyang. Upon arriving, Yingguo tells Yiyang that there's no need to mention Yiyang to her parents as they don't know about them. Yiyang says, "Yang's ranking is so high in the world, so why are you afraid to tell them?" She says, "I'll tell you the whole story later." Now, everyone comes to a restaurant to eat. Here, a girl approaches Yingguo. Yingguo starts asking the girl, "Where are your parents?" Just then, Yang arrives from behind. Yingguo says, "Is she a daughter of your relatives?" Yiyang says, "She's my brother's daughter. I told her to go inside and approach the girl who she likes the most, and she came straight to you." Now, Yingguo's aunt comes over and upon seeing Yiyang, she says, "Is this your classmate?" Yingguo says, "Yes, he's my classmate." When Yiyang's aunt leaves, she asks Yiyang, "What are you doing here?" Yiyang replies, "I came to my parents' grave." She says, "You should have told me earlier, then I could have brought flowers for your parents as well." Yiyang says, "It's okay. Next year, I'll bring you along." Now, the kid hugs Yingguo. So, Yiyang says to her, "Keep in touch with me, classmate." Yingguo laughs and says, "You must have my number." Yiyang says, "I believe I do." Yingguo's aunt comes here, so Yiyang leaves from here. Later, Yingguo joins her family for lunch. Now, Yiyang also arrives here. Yingguo's mom asks Yiyang, "Do you know him?" Yiyang says, "Yes, I know him because Xiaodong knows him very well." Yingguo's aunt starts saying that it means he's not Yingguo's classmate. So Yingguo says, "Yes, I met him during a game." Xiaodong adds, "I introduced them to each other." Now, Yidong asks Yiyang, "Do you know the people sitting at that table?" Yiyang states, "My girlfriend is sitting at that table." Yidong says, "Now, because we're here, so shouldn't we go and meet them?" Yiyang says, "Maybe another time, not today." Now, Yiyang comes to Yingguo's mom and starts saying, "When I saw you from a distance, I felt like I should come and meet you." Yingguo's mom says, "I came here with my family, so there's no need for you to greet me." Yiyang says, "I've made many mistakes in the past, so I want to thank you for forgiving me." Yingguo's mother tells him not to thank her, but to thank his teacher, Mr. He, because he came to the council and requested a lot for you. Yiyang is surprised to hear this. Yingguo's mom says, I saw him crying on stage that day, because of your retirement. She says, now that you're back, you should set an example for younger players. Yiyang then leaves. Yingguo tries to talk about Yiyang with her family, but no one takes Yingguo's words seriously. Qingyang places dumplings on Yingguo's plate, which Yiyang notices. Seeing this, Yiyang feels jealous. He comes out. Yingguo comes to the parking area to meet Yiyang. Yiyang asks her what she's doing here. Yingguo asks why Yiyang didn't reply to her messages. Yiyang wants to kiss her, but Yingguo tells him that there are people nearby. Yiyang then asks Yingguo if she misses him or if she came to comfort him. Yingguo asks, do you have any problem with me because of what mom said to you, to which he responds no. Yiyang starts searching for something in his car. Yingguo says that you're not searching for anything, so you should stop pretending. Yiyang tells Yingguo that he's not pretending. He tells Yingguo that he's going back to drop his brother, who lives quite far away, so she should leave too. Yingguo is upset, so she starts to leave. However, Yiyang stops her and asks her to wait, but Yingguo leaves anyway. Yiyang feels really bad because he was going to give her cherries. On the way back, Grandma asks Yingguo to tell her more about Yiyang. Her sister mentions that Xiaodong and Yiyang were not close and starts telling childhood stories. Yingguo defends Yiyang, saying it's not true. As they start to argue, Yingguo's mom says that she doesn't like Yiyang because she doesn't like people who don't respect referees. She mentions she won't judge her friends because she loves Yingguo, but regarding Yiyang there will be no change in her. Hearing this, Yingguo becomes even more upset. Yiyang comes to meet Mr. He, and Yiyang tells Mr. He that Yiyang has returned and has opened his billiard room here. Mr. He's wife and daughter want to meet Yiyang, but Mr. He denies their request. This makes them curious about the reason, so Mr. He says that Yiyang has returned before the China Open. I understand him and he surely wants to do something, so they should give him some time.